In a secluded spot of the rich, green forest, the magical blue Smurfs lived in harmony. They inhabited quaint mushroom-shaped houses, nestled strategically between the windowed trunks of towering trees. Each Smurf had a unique vocation, from the thoughtful Brainy to the ever-cheerful Smurfette. However, peace was disrupted by an ominous presence lurking amid the shadows of the dense forest, a menacing wolf with a sinister glint in his eyes. This wolf, larger than life's nightmares, had heard tales of the Smurfs. Driven by curiosity and mischief, he felt compelled to discover this village of tiny beings himself. One ordinary sunny afternoon, as the Smurfs busied themselves with stones and chores, chaos erupted. The wolf had finally stumbled upon the village, and with a thunderous growl that trembled the air, he launched an attack. Smurfs scattered in every direction, their usual merriment replaced by panic. Papa Smurf, the wise leader with a heart of gold, called a quick meeting within the safety of his hut. "We must outsmart him," he declared confidently. He instantly set the village to work, each Smurf following their talents to devise a plan to rid their home of the unwelcome predator. Hefty, known for his strength, began to dig a deep pit just outside the village, a trap for their unwelcome guest. Meanwhile, Brainy devised a ruse to lead the wolf astray with an elaborate map of false trails. Smurfette, ever articulate and resourceful, distracted the wolf with her singing. The plan unfolded perfectly. Lured out of the shadows by Smurfette's beautiful voice, the wolf found himself misguided by Brainy's devious trails. Before long, he stumbled into the pit, howling in surprise and frustration. The Smurfs had outwitted him. As the sun set and calm returned, the Smurfs gathered around the pit where the dejected wolf lay, trapped but unharmed. Papa Smurf approached with words of farewell, enlightening him on the Smurfs' desire for peace and unity, a lesson the wolf pondered profoundly before being released. Harmony restored, the Smurfs returned to their joyful lives, their friendship and intelligence the true guardians of their enchanted village. And so, the beautiful forest remained the magical haven where the Smurfs thrived, bonded more closely by their shared adventure.